Okay, hello everyone in P4 yet again. It is the Wednesday Literacy Pack tutorial, and we're still looking at tense, so we're still looking at grammar this week. Remember, Harry Potter has been put on hold. This should be a pretty quick tutorial. Now, be careful with today's work. We're again still working with tense, past tense and present tense, and the questions will ask you to change these sentences to past tense. And there's a bunch of sentences there. And then the next page is going to ask you to change the sentences to present tense. So on the second page, they are in the past tense. You need to change it to the present tense. Be careful. These ones are trickier than yesterday's. In some cases, you have to completely change the word, the verb, in order for it to change tense. I'm going to give you an example. Let's have a look at the first one together, shall we? There are two birds on the fence. Yesterday, there blank two birds on the fence. Now, you can't use are again. You say there are two birds on the fence. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't sound right. So you'd have to change that word completely. Instead of there are, in this case, I would use yesterday, there were two birds on the fence. So like I said, some of these words are going to change completely. Work through the page, see how you go. If they are getting too tricky for you, feel free to get in touch with Mr. Hammonds or Ms. Wu, and we can give you some advice as to how to proceed. You can also have a look in your online dictionary if you need any help. If you bring up any of these verbs in the dictionary, they should normally give you also descriptions of different tenses for the word, sometimes present, sometimes past, so that can help you along. Also, obviously, a regular dictionary can do that for you as well. See how you go. Don't get confused. So on the first page, it's present to past. On the second page, page 8, it is past to present. So again, try not to get confused there. Okay, have a lovely day, P4.